So how many dents do you think are in the hood, Victor?
Like at least 100.
100. Oh wow, that's my kind of guy.
Oh.
Exactly. They would boom, boom, boom. So my buddy Victor's out here today. We are getting the Supra already. I've owned it for 3 days now. We are getting all the little imperfections popped out of the hood. You know, little dents here. There's a little bit of a bigger one here that he should be able to get worked out today. Luckily, the bullet hole per se, like a lot of people commented on, it actually doesn't look like it went through. I'm not sure what that is, but we're gonna work that as much as we can. I had my buddy Brian come out today and kind of look at the car. But a lot of people are asking about the rust here in the quarter. It's just real superficial, like it's solid. I've actually already got a set of quarter glasses. A guy online actually reached out to me, said he had a set, actually sent them to me, and all I had to do is cover shipping. So man, thank you again so much for that. The console, we're gonna have refinished. I need a new ashtray, but the dash itself is in really good shape. It's not popped, it's not creased, it's not cracked. A little bit of wear here on the automatic panel. So how many dents do you think are in the hood, Victor?
Like at least 100.
100.
Yeah, go for this one with this one. So it might be a little bit easier. I feel like them making cars fast from factory just killed them.
All right, passenger seat is out. Let's see. Let's see what treasures we got. This guy really like Monopoly. Oh, I got a free breakfast sandwich. Looks like sand. Wipers work. In the early 2000s, people had these, and they would like beat to the music. They'd have sensitivity things on them, and they would like, they're like the Fast and Furious and stuff. Like it was real popular. They would boom, boom, boom. I want to. Man, those are long. I don't have the other one. I don't think the rear seat has ever been out since 1998. It's got a lot of junk under it. Money, dead bugs, glass. When they broke that glass out. Yeah, there it is. There you go, Moose. You got it? Yeah. It's just crazy to tear it apart. So now we got 3 of the 4 seats. Now we got to figure out how to get the driver's seat out, and it doesn't move.
Yeah.
Looks like a big drill bit.
Yeah.
That's what moves it. Oh, it's spinning. It's spinning like like a half a turn. Well, that makes me feel a hell of a lot better. I mean, that seat probably hasn't moved in 20 years. Get a bolt. More Monopoly. More burnt bun. Oh, I found St. James Place. I mean, these quarters, man, they're like part of the floor. Look at that. Tarnished. They got like McDonald's. Kent, I know you're watching this video, man. McDonald's will kill your ass. Wow, that's my kind of guy.
Oh.
I'll be able to tell you real quick. Oh, yeah, I was going to say. So anybody knows anything about golf, the DT Wound 90s, these are like late 90s balls. Yeah. See, look. So this one's not broke. This one over here isn't broke either. It's like some of those stories he was telling me about, maybe some Mardi Gras beads.
1, 2, 3.
Damn.
4.
Lighter's a stock convenience store. All right, so I had to go change clothes. Let me try this again. Try this again. Take 4. All right, I had to go change clothes, as you can see, because Lincoln, as we were pulling the interior of the car, decided he would drive his four-wheeler in the damn pond. So so I had to go get wet. It's 30 degrees outside. Borderline hyperthermia, wasn't really cool. But as you see, we got the interior ripped pretty much completely out of it. We found more McDonald's Monopoly pieces in here than, I mean, I think I got enough to complete a game. I think I may need a tetanus shot because it's pretty nasty in there. Victor's been working aimlessly on it all day. He's got the corner pulled out. He's got the hood pretty much all done. Victor, have you ever seen one this bad with that many little hell dents?
No, not really.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see this. There's no more dents now. There's a couple little dents, as you can see, we haven't got to. There was a real big one right here. It looked like maybe the car had got backed into it at some point right here. But he's got it pretty good. Taylor, what do you think? You like this car?
It's like, kind of looks like Geo's.
Like Gio's car?
Yeah, but in better, worse condition.
Yeah, and a lot slower. Day one of ripping this car apart, I think it went pretty well. So we're going to try to do weekly updates on this car, every bit that we work on. So be sure to subscribe and follow along if you like the Supra content, because we're going to be rebuilding this car basically from the ground up. And I'm going to take this to work tomorrow and get to clean it on this carpet.